Step-by-step solution. 1. Download the official launcher. Go to the official Neverness To Everness website, click on Download for PC, save the launcher file.exe. Letter 2. Install the launcher. Open the downloaded file, click Install, choose a location with enough space important. 3. Download the game files, open the launcher after installation, log in or create an account, click Download, Install Game. 4. Wait for full installation. The game will download and install automatically. Make sure you have stable internet, at least 80 to 100 gigabytes free space. 5. Launch the game. Once installation is complete, click Start, Play. Let the game download any final updates. Common problems and quick fixes. Game not downloading. Restart launcher. Check internet connection. Run launcher as administrator. Stuck on installing. Pause and resume download. Make sure storage is not full. Disable antivirus temporarily. Update errors. Restart PC. Clear launcher cache if option available. Reinstall launcher if needed. #low-end PC issue. Use Android emulator like BlueStacks, lower in-game graphics settings. Pro tips. Install on SSD for faster loading. Close background apps during install. Avoid VPN while downloading. Final words. Always download from the official source only. Keep your system updated. First launch may take time. That's normal. If you want, I can also create